Thanks for choosing 180 Closet Design. Today, we're going to share with you 9 essential tips to keeping your closet organized. Number 1. Color coordinate the clothes in your closet to make them easier to find. Number 2. Utilize the space on the top shelf of your closet. Number 3. Use shower hooks to hang items such as scarves and purses. Number 4. Put dividers in between stacks of clothes to keep piles separate and prevent them from falling over. Number 5. Wrap pipe cleaners around the end of your hangers to prevent clothes from sliding off. Number 6. Double up your hangers using a soda can tab. Number 7. Make use of the back of your door by hanging shoe racks or baskets. Number 8. Don't let wall space go to waste. Hang hooks for belts, jewelry, and other miscellaneous items. Number 9. Organize your shoes by style to maximize your space. Thanks for watching. And for more tips or information about how you can maximize your closet space, visit 180closetdesign.com today.